From Siri to self-driving cars, how AI is changing our world. Hello and welcome to this video on From Siri to self-driving cars, how AI is changing our world. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. In this video, we will explore the different ways AI is impacting our lives and the challenges that come along with it. So, let's dive in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the field of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work, and its impact can be seen in various sectors of our economy. Okay, let's start with personal assistants and how AI-powered devices are revolutionizing our lives. In recent years, the use of AI-powered personal assistants such as Siri and Alexa has exploded. These voice-activated devices have revolutionized the way we perform tasks such as sending messages, making phone calls, playing music, and even controlling our homes. They have become so popular that you would be hard-pressed to find someone who hasn't used one at some point in their life. In this article, we will take a closer look at the world of personal assistants and how they're changing the way we live. What do you think about personal assistants? A personal assistant is an AI-powered device that is designed to perform tasks for the user. These devices can be activated by voice commands and can perform a range of tasks such as setting alarms, making phone calls, sending messages, playing music, and controlling smart home devices. These devices are designed to make our lives easier and more convenient by automating tasks that would usually require manual input. The rise of personal assistants, which can be attributed to advancements in AI technology. Personal assistants are becoming more popular because it can integrate with other smart devices such as smart speakers, smartphones, and smart TVs. One of the significant benefits of personal assistants is their ability to control smart home devices, making life more convenient and energy efficient. Personal assistants can also help increase productivity by automating tasks like setting reminders and scheduling appointments. As AI technology continues to advance, personal assistants will become even more sophisticated and capable, allowing them to perform more complex tasks and integrate with a wider range of smart devices, further enhancing their ability to make our lives easier and more convenient. AI-powered personal assistants such as Siri and Alexa have revolutionized the way we live. They have become an essential part of our daily lives, helping us to perform tasks more efficiently and making our lives more convenient. With advancements in AI technology, the future of personal assistants looks even brighter. We can expect to see these devices become even more sophisticated and capable, further enhancing our daily lives. Next, let's think about the role of health. The healthcare industry is constantly evolving, and one of the most significant changes in recent years has been the integration of AI-powered systems. Artificial intelligence has the potential to transform the way we diagnose and treat diseases, and the impact of AI in healthcare is already being felt around the world. In this article, we will explore the various ways AI is revolutionizing healthcare. AI is transforming the healthcare industry in many ways. By analyzing vast amounts of medical data, AI-powered systems can help doctors identify potential health issues early, leading to better health outcomes for patients. AI is also playing a crucial role in the development of precision medicine by allowing doctors to analyze patient data and create personalized treatment plans. Additionally, AI is being used to develop new drugs and treatments for diseases by analyzing large datasets of chemical compounds and predicting which ones are most likely to be effective. Medical imaging is another area where AI is making a significant impact. By analyzing medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, machine learning algorithms can identify potential health issues that may have been missed by human doctors. However, some challenges need to be addressed. One of the biggest challenges is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. Addressing this challenge will require a concerted effort from the healthcare industry to ensure that AI algorithms are developed and trained on diverse and representative data. Despite these challenges, the opportunities presented by AI in healthcare are enormous. AI is helping to revolutionize the healthcare industry by improving diagnoses and treatments, developing new drugs and treatments, and catching potential health issues early. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the field of healthcare. AI is playing a crucial role in revolutionizing the healthcare industry. From analyzing medical records to developing new drugs and treatments, AI-powered systems are transforming the way we diagnose and treat diseases. While there are challenges that need to be addressed, the opportunities presented by AI in healthcare are enormous. As we continue to advance this technology, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the field of healthcare. Let's move on to the role of AI in education. The world of education is changing rapidly, and one of the most significant changes has been the integration of AI-powered educational tools. These tools are helping to make learning more accessible and personalized than ever before. In this article, we will explore the various ways AI is transforming education. Intelligent tutoring systems, powered by AI, can adapt to students' learning styles, analyze their performance, and provide personalized feedback, thereby enhancing their learning experience. Such systems are effective for language learning by providing personalized feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary and creating lesson plans based on student progress. AI-powered educational tools also make learning accessible for disabled students using speech recognition and text-to-speech technology. Despite the enormous opportunities presented by AI in education, there are challenges, such as biased algorithms perpetuating existing inequalities in education. However, as AI technology continues to advance, the future of education is promising with more personalized and accessible learning experiences. AI-powered educational tools are playing a crucial role in transforming education. From intelligent tutoring systems to language learning tools, these technologies are making learning more accessible and personalized than ever before. While there are challenges that need to be addressed, the opportunities presented by AI in education are enormous. As we continue to advance this technology, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the field of education. The primary topic of discussion is AI in finance. The finance industry is constantly evolving, and one of the most significant changes in recent years has been the integration of AI-powered systems. These systems are helping financial institutions make better decisions and prevent fraud by analyzing vast amounts of data. In this article, we will explore the various ways AI is transforming finance. The various ways in which AI technology is being used in the finance industry. AI is helping financial institutions make better decisions by analyzing large amounts of data in real time, which can be used to make more accurate predictions about future market conditions, manage risk, and make better investment decisions. Additionally, AI-powered systems are being used to prevent fraud by analyzing vast amounts of data, detecting patterns indicative of fraud, and providing personalized financial advice to customers by analyzing their financial history and behavior. However, some challenges need to be addressed when using AI in finance. One of the biggest challenges is the potential for AI to perpetuate existing biases and inequalities, especially if the algorithms used in these systems are trained on biased data. Despite these challenges, the opportunities presented by AI in finance are enormous, and as AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the field of finance. While there are challenges that need to be addressed, the opportunities presented by AI in finance are enormous. As we continue to advance this technology, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the field of finance. Next, let's move on to the role of AI in manufacturing. The manufacturing industry has undergone significant changes in recent years, with the integration of AI-powered systems being one of the most significant. AI-powered robots are increasingly being used in manufacturing, and they are transforming the industry by enhancing efficiency and quality. In this article, we will explore the various ways AI is revolutionizing manufacturing. The use of AI in manufacturing highlights its ability to automate repetitive tasks, perform predictive maintenance, improve quality control, and manage inventory. By using AI-powered systems, manufacturers can increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve product quality. However, the article also acknowledges the challenges of AI in manufacturing, particularly its potential for displacing human workers. Despite this, the opportunities presented by AI in manufacturing are significant, and as technology advances, we can expect further developments in this field. Last but not least, talk about transportation. Self-driving cars are one of the most exciting applications of AI. The development of self-driving cars is one of the most exciting advancements in transportation that AI has brought about in recent years. Self-driving cars use advanced algorithms, sensors, and cameras to navigate roads, detect obstacles, interpret traffic signals, and adjust to changing road conditions. These vehicles have the potential to significantly reduce the number of accidents caused by human error, which account for 1.35 million deaths and up to 50 million injuries or disabilities annually worldwide. Self-driving cars are also more efficient than traditional vehicles, as they can communicate with other cars and infrastructure to coordinate movements and optimize routes, reducing traffic congestion and making our roads more efficient. Besides self-driving cars, AI is also being used in logistics and supply chain management to optimize routes and reduce delivery times, and in drones for deliveries in remote areas. In summary, AI is transforming the transportation industry and has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel, making our roads safer and more efficient. And that's a wrap on our video on From Siri to Self-Driving Cars, How AI is Changing Our World. We hope you enjoyed learning about the impact of AI on various aspects of our lives and the challenges that come along with it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.